FXBros.
We are live. NFP. Every volume. What are we rejecting? Oh, trend line. Yeah, we bouncing off the trend line. Let's see. Bouncing off the trend line with rejection. Hasn't been seen. Oh, that motherfucker reaction, y'all. God damn. Well, let me chill out. Let me chill out. Ain't break the high yet. What's that, bro?
Whoa, popping, bro.
Oh, shit.
About to get headphones right quick.
Having that shit.
Man, I was straight. I was good until GJ played on me. I was still in that GJ bias. That bitch tank on my ass. And that's the one I had the most positions in. But I'm still good. I still got one in that bitch. All right. Let me see. That bitch look like it's trying to recover from down there. That bitch just tunk a lot. The nigga back straight.
Yeah.
How y'all looking?
Shit. Nigga good over AU pushed crazy overnight. So
Went up?
Yeah.
Y'all was selling that bitch?
Huh?
Y'all was selling?
Nah, I got in buys. Once I saw that bitch doing all that fucking, it was doing all that selling late in the afternoon, but it was like rejecting that shit. And I was like, man, I'm thinking that's the fake out. Like it's gonna push back up. I wasn't really wanting it to. I thought it was gonna sell out, but once I saw that bitch push back up past what was that, 60? I think like 63.90 type shit. I think that was the price. Yeah, I got back in that bitch.
Hold on, let me put the headphones.
Got back in. But I didn't took out most of the profit though. Like I still got a smaller position on right now, but I took out most of it because I'm thinking this might be the end of that run. It'll be crazy if that bitch keep going up. I ain't gonna lie, I know it'd be a little mad. I took all that money out, but
Yeah, same with GJ. I just closed 2 of them positions on that because it dropped so much, and I look like it want to recover, but I still got one in that bitch. I said, fuck that. I wasn't about to let all them bitches just drop.
I mean, the daily still don't look like too much of nothing. I mean, we ain't break out of that consolidation yet, so that's gonna be next week on AU.
Let me go see.
That's gonna be
it look good though. It look good for these buys.
Yeah.
Let's try. I'm gonna put an alert right on that breakout. Let y'all know if I see something.
Yeah, it was right around like 1-2 o'clock. That's when I was like, all right, fuck this shit. It ain't going no lower. When I seen what it was doing overnight, especially into the morning, like that 5 a.m. push, I was like, oh damn, nigga, that's like NFP. That came out. 4:05 in the morning. Shit.
Yeah. I don't care, bro. I don't care what time it is. Yeah.
So, God damn, 30.
No, go look at GJ drop. Blue me.
I
Go look
know.
how long that been dropped, brother.
GJ dropped so German 30 could go up. Like, that's what the money went. Fuck.
I'm joked out.
That shit crazy.
Yeah, that bitch.
Somebody said it is pushing and pushing. You could smell the greed.
Nigga said you can smell the greed.
That's what I said for Dex.
That's fact. Just left him. I'm with it. I don't care. What?
You know, he need to signal it off his car. You should stop there, brother, before you got to work.
Excuse me. It was just a good one. That's crazy.
I'm waiting to see what Gold about to do. It look like it's trying to push up. But it need, I don't know if it need
Yeah,
time.
man. Gold push. I like how Gold. God damn, hey, you what the fuck?
What happened? Oh, that been pushing. I told you that dude looking like it's going to take off, brother.
Piss me off.
That bitch is looking. Have a nice little looker.
Fuck.
I'm waiting to see. I probably don't add no positions right now. I'm gonna wait till the 8 o'clock.
Man, it's NFP. Let me. God damn.
When NFP drop?
7:30. That's the only reason I'm nigga going live.
That's what that 7:30 swing was. Everything just started busting at 7:30.
Yeah, that's what I said yesterday. NFP. It's NFP week.
Oh, hey, you about to take off, brother. I wouldn't even play with it. Just get in. Get in, ask questions later. Fuck it.
I know, but that NFP be moving crazy. Like that bitch will push like this, and before you know it, 1 hour, that bitch will be back down where it be doing that. NFP is not a damn play with. It make you want to get in, but that bitch will fuck you over, boy. That motherfucker drop. Like just like it's trying to pull back right now with this bitch.
Yeah. That's why I ain't fucking with nothing until like 8 o'clock. Try to see.
That's why I was really starting to take profit off because I'm seeing it push up, but damn, that motherfucker ran 264.20. I did 30 pips. It just looked crazy. 30 pips that's pretty good. I ain't gonna lie for you. That's pretty decent. But ain't a lot. Right. It's about to go to 64.50. I already know that.
Yeah, see GJ going pulling back down. I figured it would. Waiting for close on that bitch.
He's making a new high for the week type shit. Like that's for that Monday high.
But it's cool. NASDAQ now finally went back up. Shit, stupid.
Oh, shit looks stupid on a daily, boy.
Boy, you seen me fussing yesterday? Nigga said you seen me fussing yesterday? Oh man, this hell yesterday did that big ass drop, and then that bitch went straight to TP type shit, like went straight up.
Hey, yeah.
I said, jank ass United States, bitch. That shit was funny. I said, these niggas probably like, this nigga spaz. This nigga trip.
All right. What you was in? How many you got in? You just got in NAS and US-30?
Yeah, at that time I was in GJ too. NAS US-30. GJ was the only one holding up. Now this the only one that really tanked on me for real. On some whole shit. That bitch just tanked like for no reason, bro. Like why the nigga sleep on that last 8 hour? at the 12. Like it gave a good close at 12. So I'm like, all right, cool. I can go to sleep. Nigga, wake up to this shit, bro. Like the whole 8 hour after 12, brother. I don't know if you can see that shit. Like that whole, it gave like the 4 hour probably looked crazy, but them last 2 4 hour bars, that's that 8 hour right there.
Talking about GJ?
Yeah, that shit crazy. I was like, bro, this bitch just slapped down. That bitch ain't even think about going back up and retesting or nothing. That bitch was like, well,
191.5.
that bitch just went, like, well, you know, I was thinking about going up, but now I just don't want to do it anymore. I just don't know.
Dollar back
path with my life.
$100.
Yeah, I'm about to get out of GJ. That shit's stupid. I mean, I ain't about to just get out. My stop loss about to get slapped. I moved that bitch up too. I ain't lying. This shit looks stupid.
But hey, you better not do no dumbass shit and print one of them stupid ass big 50.
I mean, that's just gonna give good buys next week. Huh?
Fuck. Yeah.
I mean, it's Friday shit.
I mean, it
Set
could.
us up beautifully for next week.
There's a whole lot of liquidity up here at these highs. It could sell off. This NFP could be a fake out and sell off for the whole month of May.
That'd be great. That's what I'm saying. You gotta just let that bitch play out.
Yeah.
Shit, if you think it's gonna run, get in. Niggas don't want to do that.
It ain't that
I
easy.
like to get in late. Yeah, this way, I mean, the way it's sitting up there, I don't think it's going down. That's a big ass 15-minute candle for AU too.
Yeah. Like a motherfucker. 30 pips.
That's crazy.
Like 5 minutes.
Yeah, fair play. It is all good though.
It's all about what it's going to do next, because that bitch done took the lows. Well, it took the lows. It didn't take the lows yet in London. It took the highs in London. So that bitch could turn around and sell off. But I don't want to take that risk. But knowing my ass, boy, I sell that bitch. Everybody trying to buy that bitch. It's like that nigga David Paul said, wherever you want to put your stop sign, that's where you put your
Facts, bro. Put your entry at that bitch.
the hardest trade. And this bitch is hard right now. Thinking that it's on sale.
Yeah, I think I'm about to
But boy,
possibly take my chances on gold. I'm trying to see on these buys, but I'm gonna look at 8 hour close, 15 minutes.
gold. Yeah, I like gold buys, man. I like the fact that gold closed above 32.50. Closed above that. I think on the 4 hour, and it's still struggling to get back into that range. It was a fake out below 32, 35. Slowed all the way down, and now it's coming back up. I like gold buys. Especially if that bitch stay above 32.50, 32.50, 32.40.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this 8 hour because the 8 hour, the 50 on the 8 hour is literally at 32.58. So I'm waiting to see if it closes above 32.59 if it's gonna close below. I want to see his reaction to the open, like of the next day. To be honest, I want to see his reaction to the open of the market open. I'm gonna wait and see what it do. I just need enough to go off of.
Feel like they said it should be positive. We did drop, but that's some bullshit. I bet you they changed the numbers at the last minute. Now it's on
but they changed the numbers at the last minute.
177 under the previous at 185, but they had a consensus at 130. Bitch. I was just trying to do that shit, bitch. Oh, Euro had CPI last night too, and unemployment rate. That's probably what helped your help that DAX push up. Well, nah, not really. Well, maybe. I don't know. That's equities. I don't know how much they. Oh, what's EU doing?
EU is kind of consolidating. It's been trying to push up, though, more so than drop, but been waiting for this little shakiness to get out of get done first, and then I'm gonna look to make a move on it. What I was waiting on was these 8-hour closes. The last 8-hour close was really good. I was gonna kind of get in on this one, but I would really literally be break even right now anyway. That's why I kind of didn't get in, because I figured it just needed more to do more.
Yeah.
So I'm just waiting to see more closes in that consolidation range to the left. Like if I could get more closes in the higher ranges. Like if this next 8-hour close above, like anywhere in this area that is already in, if it could close above 1.131, anywhere above that would be cool. And I just need more up push from here. I don't need it to either be trying to go down, but we'll see. That's what I'm looking for with it. Right now, though, like GJ trying to give me my green back over there. See, still looking for that green close, motherfucker. I'll not be. Damn, Dax ain't playing. I don't be knowing when to add a position on this line. Fuck. Let's just keep going and keep going.
You still in there?
Yeah, Dax, NASDAQ. I still got one GJ hold for right now for a few points. If it go, it don't. Yeah, that's my 3. I'm waiting on EU and gold to do some shakes. Really waiting on these closes. A low key.
Yeah, GJ look like it can. See.
Yeah, NASDAQ busting too. Bitch. Ain't no telling what this shit do. By the time 8 o'clock open, them bitches gonna pull back and then probably push up. Getting people in before the 8 o'clock, 8:30. That's what I was saying. I'm kind of waiting. See what that shit look like. You know, the reactions to the close.
Right.
I was really about to
watch how these hourly closes, 15 minute closes. Shit. Everything gonna have wicks on it. I know that for sure.
Hmm.
On these hours.
Hmm.
And look at S&P.
Yeah, them bitches moving in unison. Bitches moving together, friends.
I think German 30 looking like gold out this bitch.
Yeah, that's the two.
That bitch look like gold in February.
That is the two. That bitch going all the way back to the new high, bro. That bitch got 400 more points back to get back to the new high, bro. Dog, that's crazy. It's just been jumping like that.
Somebody said, might as well all-time high today.
Facts, bro. Might as well. Cool. Might as well. Nigga ain't tripping.
Gotta go to what, 23, 476.
Ain't nobody crying. Ain't nobody worried. Hit that new high today.
That's crazy, boy.
Yeah, that bitch be moving, bro. 7 more minutes. Damn, I wish US 30 wouldn't have stopped me out. That bitch was so close. I just had my shit too close, bro. That would have been some good extra points. Especially with DJ being sloppy. You're dropping your food all on yourself.
Look. So that's why it's going on.
Yeah, see. Yeah, EU looking good buys, and gold is looking good on buys. That's probably because the DXY is dropping. Yup, sure enough. If I could get a close under here on DXY, a push under 99.5, up 99.6, really good.
99, 2. That's what I want that bitch to go back to. Y'all need to drop.
For real. That'd be crazy. I like that the 8 hour though is showing sales. It got right back under that 50 EMA. Now we just need this 8 hour to close negative and continue to push. 6 more minutes. Trump calls on Fed once again to lower rates after solid April jobs reports. Trump calls on Fed once again to lower rates after solid April job reports.
Yeah, there ain't enough reason to put them in the lower rate. He gonna keep fucking with them.
Lower the rates?
Yeah.
For what?
I mean, it ain't a pressing issue right now. Them niggas last year they was talking about that shit when we first got into. I think niggas then got comfortable with them inflated prices. That's what it is. Shit not like.
Yeah,
And they get distracted. There's a lot of shit going on. You know.
It ain't that niggas comfortable. Niggas just what else niggas gonna do?
Yeah.
Besides handle business. Nigga literally ain't got no choice to get your shit together.
Bro, I am so tempted to use sales, but I know that'll go against everything I believe in. And that'll be blasphemy.
That's how I feel about just adding another position on like NASDAQ or German 30 right now. But it's like these shit's just pushing. I need some type of okay, now you can get in. But honestly, this be the best time to get in, bro. 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8. Because by 10 o'clock, you trying to get in, them bitches will pull back, bro. It ain't no ifs, ands, and buts. Give it another hour.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like right now, this is the time that volume coming in. You seeing moves, you just take them.
Right.
Type shit. Like
definitely don't want to get in too late.
Yeah, if you won't wait though till last minute, we're gonna show you at last minute. All right, you want to wait till it look good to everybody know. All right, we're gonna show your ass. Stay right there. Nigga say stay right there. Don't move. We about to get in your ass, boy. Doctor, where's my glove? That boy with that. Oh my god. I'm joked out. Wait, that's the noise right there. Nigga said he put that glove on. That's what the market's doing, niggas. That glove on. Stay right here, boy. Don't move.
Man. I ain't gonna do it though, cause
I'm about to tell you. Wait till the 8 o'clock close, nigga. You got 2 minutes. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I see after that. I got a horizontal line. I don't know if you had down at 0.64430, so it's literally right under it right now.
I don't know what it's gonna do. It could.
It's right on the horizontal.
It could pull back to this trend line because it's the first time we done rejected off the trend line, like to the wick type shit. So I don't wanna make too much of just a quick.
Yeah.
Well, I ain't gonna say it's the first time we rejected off that wick, but where it came from, yeah, it's definitely got the potential to keep going up. So I don't want to take that trade. It's just so tempting. Damn sure don't want to buy it. Even though if it keep going up, I'm gonna be pissed off like I was earlier. But
I'm telling you, brother, instead of
like buying
just get your, like, if you want, you could just get a move, and if that bitch is still having to start moving too crazy, just get out. Because what I'm looking at, that 15-minute candle, shit, like you looking at it too, that 15-minute, you could just go base off of that. I don't know how big your positions be, and just put that mark right below that pullback. Put a stop loss below the pullback. Just fuck it, and just go with it. You ain't gotta go big. Just get in. That way you in.
I mean, I'm still in on buys, but I'm thinking about flipping that bitch and going sell.
Oh no. Nigga said no.
Because
No,
we done took out the high of shit. We made a new high of the week. We took out the high last month, I think.
Oh, let's see. You going with your big dog moves again. All right, go ahead then, big dog.
Oh man,
you going with them big dog moves. I mean, it's 4 hours just closed. They gotta pull back, right? I guess. I don't know what big dog moves be doing like that. I'm a little dog. I just be waiting.
They May 2nd.
I mean, like I said, the 8 hour just closed. It couldn't close above that wick, the previous weekly, 8 hour wick. Oh, you can look at it in the 4 hour sense. It couldn't close above. It did close above again that for the first time, that horizontal line on the 4 hour though. So that's kind of strong. It broke through 2 levels and closed. It broke through that trend line and that weekly high and closed above it on the 4 hour.
Right.
So that's what I'm kind of looking at with that.
Yeah, it's I'm not gonna do that. I'm just talking shit. I'm just talking shit. I ain't never in my life sold no candle, ain't seen no red 4-hour candle yet. That's a definite
Red flag.
that's a recipe for disaster. You're
Let's see. Here we go. Gold is selling off. So I'm telling you, boy, wait on that damn close. All right, we got Nasdaq trying to get some more positions for the buy. And you know what? I might take them.
gold better sell off from here. If it don't, that's gonna be great buys. With that bearish engulfing we had on the 4-hour, that bitch better sell off. It's like that. It's like you got the nigga in the corner type shit. Like nigga, you gotta do what you say you're gonna do now. If you don't do it, you fraud type shit. You said you going down. You already confirmed. Don't play. You gotta go now, like right now. Look, everybody sell again. 3,200 today. Sell now.
AU print green candles. If it hit my alert, I'm gonna let you know. That's like a really good. Just fucking buy that bitch.
What alert you got? 63 something? 64?
64.54.
Right.
Like 64.55 type shit.
Right.
Like right there. I just needed some type of momentum on the upside. Like it hasn't breaking out yet. It still got to show me what it want to do after the close type shit. You got to give me something. You got to give us something. Same thing with Nasdaq at this high. Yeah, that bitch dropped. All right, people been looking for these sales with gold. All right, we got an 8-hour doji on gold. After it gave pretty two red candles, I'm gonna say. And two of them was dojis. We got the doji with some down push. Put alert here at 41. Okay. Also put me an alert above here. 53. Let me know where it hit first.
Good help.
Help me. I'll take you there. That gold dropping hard as a motherfucker. Oh, I think it had buku people thinking about buying.
Yeah, you might just. If you want to lose money, come follow these niggas in this gold chat.
Not if you want to lose money. Nah, bro. I'm literally my account right now is all equity. I have no balance left. Literally. I'm like floating 200. I'm floating 200 in equity, bro. Literally, that's it. Nigga said, don't tell the markets that. That bitch said, oh, yeah.
Right.
What trades you in, brother? Let me see something.
Nah, for real. Nigga, be quiet. Niggas, put that in the chat.
Dead ass, bro. Hey, it's looking good, though, bro. Shit moving for your boy. Even they must know I'm on my last legs, and I'm gonna be like curse them out if shit goes south.
Nah, Dex looked out for you. I ain't gonna lie, boy. If Dex would have sold out, I would have been like, I probably wouldn't have been mad if that boy said, bro, I'm gonna chill out till the summertime, bro.
That's nigga. nigga, that's the energy. That's it. That's it. That's it right here. This is it for a while. I'm gonna have to go straight demo. I ain't, nigga ain't quit. I'm gonna have to go demo, dog.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to, dog. I'm gonna have to step back and evaluate like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucker, bro. And then, I ain't tripping. It's gonna be is what it is, bro. It is what it is, brother.
That would have been crazy. That would have been really crazy if that bitch would have did that. I ain't gonna lie. That would have been manipulation at its best. But I'd be like, ooh, them niggas showing the fuck out, boy. They taking a handbook from the United States, nigga.
Right, because they don't do shit like that. See how that bitch did gap up huge though. That gap up was crazy. That bitch gapped up from 2265 to 2281.
So AU about to push. If it break past here, that's gonna be the volume, like.
I'm waiting on that alert. You heard me though? That bitch for that daily data that was missing, that bitch gapped up 200 points damn near.
Damn, on that.
To make up for that day. Yeah, about damn near about 160.
On my charts, man. They don't show the gaps on my charts.
It didn't show a gap, but it showed that big ass push up on the open.
Yeah,
it don't show a gap. It just show you how much it pushed up. Like it opened at 2262 and then closed at 22,816. It literally opened up at 22,800. If that makes sense. Like when it opened up, it literally opened up at like 22,800. It didn't open up at 22,650. It say that at 7:30 May 1st.
It opened up at 650.
Yeah, but they lied. That shit opened up at, I watched it. That shit opened up at 8 something. And then
so nobody. Oh, so if you wasn't in the move, you didn't catch that push, motherfucker.
Fuck no.
Them niggas got niggas, boy. I know.
Yeah, so that's why.
When that bitch sold off Friday morning, this morning, whenever the fuck. Yeah,
that's why I've been
it pulled back a little bit. I'm looking at the 15 minutes. It pulled back a little bit on Friday morning. I know that kind of got niggas nervous.
That's why I've been huge on that. Just get in and hold that bitch shit. Especially when it's like shit like this. Shit been printing green candles, bro. Printing green candles since May 7th. Like you said, May 9th. You heard me?
This bitch, you can smell the greed.
Yeah, nigga, that shit pushed it all the way from 2,000. About to be all the way back to a new high at 23,400, bro. That's crazy.
I'm gonna tell you like this.
In 1 month.
Bro. But damn, it's fucking Friday. Fuck NFP.
Go look at the month chart on that bitch.
I was about to say on this 15-minute, if it take out the low of that previous 15-minute candle, I was gonna get in sales, but I'm like, bruh, it's Friday. You ain't got shit to do.
Thinking that.
Nah, I'm about to play myself. They're trying to get a nigga.
Definitely gotta wait till next week. I think. Because shit's just already bust. I'm thinking 8:30. We might be able to get like some scalps, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, you might be able to get some scalps right now, but it's just like probably don't trade past 11, or just hold that bit throughout the weekend. And if we talking like real shit that's moving that you believe in, hold it throughout the weekend. Boy, NASDAQ is trying to bust.
Plus 64.50. New high.
New high life. All right. Let's see.
51.
Now since niggas woke up, Gigi want to start moving. That bitch done started consolidating. Well, GG know it ain't shit for this dumbass drop. Everybody like trying to figure out what the fuck going on.
Somebody said 0.70 looks possible. 191.7. I guess for sale.
What?
On GJ, somebody said 191.7 and 191.6.
They looking for sales.
Yeah.
I feel it. I ain't mad at it. They been selling like a mother. This shit crazy, bro. Huge sell off after that 8-hour green 8 hour. And I was looking at that too. I said that bitch probably just might want to fill that wick.
Said,
And then close at that top and drop. I seen it.
I'll buy more if it go to
Think
190.
about buying some more.
Yeah, everybody. Niggas still long on GJ though. They looking to buy more. Everybody. I think that bitch could come all the way down to one. I don't know where your stop loss at, but 191.
Shit, 191.6 for real.
Oh yeah, it might get hit because it could come to 191.5 just to fill a little gap that it did a little run up to retest. Or if I pull out the fibs, the lucky old fibs, we are currently resting at the 50%. We rejected 50% the last 4 hours, and we kind of rejecting it right now. So if it don't close below this 50% and keep going up, then yeah, GJ gonna be good for buying. Still good.
Shit, my stop at 191.7 for real. I'm not even really looking for. I'm looking for that bitch to go straight up from there. If that bitch don't go up, it could take me out of the gravy.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to hold that shit. Cause it did too many fucking them red candles. It's crazy. Like if you buying, bro, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red hours in a row. 7.
Yeah, but how big they are though? Are they like they
Bitch
like
took out.
it
She
ain't really
took out
start,
down there.
ain't really start selling until like 2, 3 in the morning.
1, 2, 3, 4. Those cans took out like about damn near four red. I mean 4 green candles. 4 hour candles. I mean to say. Those 7 red hours took out like 4 good green fucking 4-hour candles type shit. So that shit just been knocking candles out at this point. So my equity is literally my balance right now. This shit is crazy. I take it though, cause we busting.
Like this. At least GG ain't really building very structured. Like even on the 1 hour, it's not building structure just yet. So all this selling is just overnight London selling. So it could easily buy up from here. It could.
Busting down the stock. Busting down the stock on the way to the bank. Bust it.
All about what London do. London sold that bitch like a motherfucker. If they taking profit right now, it could go back up. They're gonna give it back to the buyers, and it's gonna go back up.
Bust it. Yeah.
That bitch gonna bust. Way the fucking 195, stupid ass.
191.
Look at AU, motherfucker.
That bitch gone. Dropping or gone. Yep, that bitch gone. Telling you, that's what I was saying. Just add
God
them
damn,
buys.
bitch.
Them buys looking good, dog.
I'm
And
gonna
that bitch
this motherfucker out.
on the 8 hours, it finally giving something like opposite. It actually is giving. I'm waiting for it to hit that alert. That bitch hit that alert, I might even fool with it with y'all, bro. And get
Nah,
out as soon as I can.
don't do it, bro. Don't do it. It's too high. Trust me, I've been watching this shit. It's too high to be buying up there.
Say less, because I don't fuck with AU.
That's what they want you to feel. They want you to buy right there. That shit feels.
It didn't hit the alert though. So shit. Still waiting.
What that alert is that like the 8-hour high or something?
So I just added the alert because the fact that we had the 8-hour breakout, right? I mean it's 8-hour close above the horizontal line, above that weekly high.
Right.
Now we have a wick to the left that we want to like close. I mean, just push a little bit above that. And I really like entries when I see a 8-hour close plus a little bit of breakout pushing above it type shit. Like if we get some good push energy, like we still want to go that direction, then I just get in and just wait the 8-hour out and
So you
see
like
what
to
that
buy
8-hour.
breaking out, but when they got heavy volume and shit in the breakout.
Yeah, type shit. It ain't gotta be crazy volume. Like I said,
Be on
I'm
the
just
8
looking for that. It almost touched the shit, that 190. I mean, 0.645, 645, 645, 54, 6454. And it almost touched it. It got right there, but it didn't quite touch it. It got literally right under it. It went to 64537. I'm at 64543. Type shit. Um, these EU buys look like they trying to come in though. That's what I was waiting on.
Right. Because the daily is not looking good. The weekly is just like, nigga, what are we doing? I mean, it's not like the weekly can't make a bigger candle. It has the potential to. It did it before, but nah, ain't no but. Fuck this AU. I'ma laugh if that bitch reversed from that Trump inauguration. I got that bitch mocked up. If that whole reverse from that, I'ma fucking laugh. That's all the way up at 65.12.
Yeah, that bitch DJ selling out.
But like 60 pips away from where we at. That's a whole pretty much daily ATR.
Let's see. You think it's gonna drop? You saying or go up?
Now I got this the low when Trump got inaugurated, the market dropped and I marked that low out. And I was gonna say that it's probably trying to reach back up to that low at 65.12. But that's like a whole from where we at right now, that's like a damn near like a whole daily ATR for AU. So
Yeah,
sure we
6.5.
today on a Friday,
Well,
and we already done moved how many pips? Like we're gonna move what 70 already. So this is ATR. We in the ATR territory already. I mean, yes, it can do 2. That'll be even more crazy for a pullback, but yeah, I think it might go for 2. Fuck it. I don't think it's gonna go Friday, but I think it might go for 2. I could see it. It's just a bullish breakout. It is what it is.
yeah, DJ about to stop it. That bitch dropping. That bitch dropping hard too. Fuck that. But yeah,
1.86.
I'm gonna just trade that bitch in for an EU buy. I'm sure get all that shit right back on the guy. EU buys looking good. I've been wanting to get these bitches since last night anyway. Kind of waiting on this 8:30 over.
I think that boy Jay said he got out of AU, man. Took profit.
busting, but I don't know.
It's probably like, dang.
About to hit my alert in a few seconds. And it's about to literally hit it right now. It hasn't hit it, but it's on its way.
Right.
There it is. Boom. We got a touch. I don't know, y'all, bro. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I'm not. This bitch look like it's going to 652, bro. 652. Like NFP probably about to just bust this bitch down, brother. I mean,
but it ain't gonna do it today though.
I mean, shit, it probably closed at 658 though.
End of the week, it's a new month. I just don't.
658, brother. You can catch points all the way to 658 on a week close, and then when it opens, you could close it, wait for that pullback, and then get back in.
Took out the old monthly high at 64.49, so we only 5 pips
and
above.
then on a monthly high, we got to break out as well. It's breaking out to new highs on a month. It's like a really good buy. I'm about to see what that bitch do. That bitch do. Put a 0.01 on that bitch. Some slight on that bitch, man. Slight.
64.49 was the old monthly high, and we are currently 6 pips above it.
That bitch look too good. Look a little, boy. Boy, I tell you, boy. This trading shit ain't nothing to play with, dog. You really have to be patient, boy, because this shit crazy. Yeah, I'm waiting on this 8:30 close for real, but to do anything.
8:30, something I think.
To make any move, for real.
And I'm still bullish. Nigga just said stupid ass. Of course.
Nah,
Dumbass about to sell that bitch. I'm about to sell that bitch.
EU just hit my alert.
The dollar range.
Fucking EU busting, bro.
Trying to break loose. The dollar is ranging on the hourly. Trying to break down.
I'm about to take my profits off some of this shit.
EU about to jump up.
Gold trying to jump up on a slide. That bitch did the fake out sales. Let's go. I might just take some buys. Y'all keep playing.
And I said, like I motherfucking said.
Wait, what you said?
I was saying that bitch should go reject. If I would take buys if it rejects 64.50, 64. I mean 30, 32.50, 32.40.
Oh, for real?
The fuck is it doing?
I ain't heard that. Let's see.
I got it marked up on my thing. I've been had that area marked up. Like, I had that area marked up like fucking 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
64.50. I've been calling that shit out.
Oh yeah, you been saying 64.50.
32.50.
I'm just waiting for this 8:30.
That bitch, it broke. It touched. Like if I would have had an entry right there, you would have got in. But if depending on where your stop loss at, you would have been in drawdown. You know, when it went all the way down to like 3,200. But the move is still in play. If that bitch if it break above 32.70, nigga, it is rolling. That bitch about to fly.
So I'm looking for EU buys.
Somebody said 3,300 tonight? Question mark. We don't know, nigga.
Leave us alone. I'm joked out. Leave us alone.
Know, nigga. We don't know where that bitch going, but we think it might go up. But go off of that. Look at AU, son of a bitch.
EU think it's slick, bro. I told you, bitch, just get in. You know, listen to me.
Man, fuck all that. Just get.
I'm telling you that bitch.
I'm just not in as heavy as I was, but
shit, better get back heavy, but I'm telling you, it's about to be straight blood flow around
that go against my rules, man. I can't do it because I'm a kill myself if that bitch drop as soon as I get in by it.
Right, bro. I'm giving you my rules and shit. I'm just telling you, when I get moves like this, just same thing I was telling you with that EU sales. Just certain shit I be seeing, boy. I'm telling you, that bitch,
Especially when I know this
gone.
too.
Put my little .04 in that bitch.
I mean, it did bounce off that trend line though. That was a nice rejection of the trend line on the 1 hour. Keep it real.
I'm gonna get in. Fuck it. I'm telling you to get in. Don't want to get in. I'm gonna get in with you. I got my .04.
Yeah, get in that bitch. You say
you
got .04 on the buy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We in this bitch.
I said, what's this, like $4 a pip or 40 cents?
Pip. I'm not sure. What's the pip?
$. It gotta be 40 cents, huh?
What's the pip? How you count the pip? The last 3?
58, 59, 60. That's like 2 pips, 1 pip.
Yeah, the last 3. All right. It's like 40 cents. Yeah, 10 cents per. .01 is like 10 cents per. I'm up 30 cents already. Stop playing with me. I told that boy get in. I told that boy, you hear me?
Take profit.
Nigga said take profit. Bro, chill.
Take profit, man.
Don't do it. Read some literature.
Some shit, you hear me?
Read some literature on the subject. Are you sure?
Nigga, fuck it. Nah, for real.
Bro, chill. Niggas is sleeping here. That bitch
running up though, brother.
Oh man. I'm about to get an EU too. That bitch. Give me 2 more minutes.
Wait for that 8:30. Ooh, EU, run down, EU.
I'm waiting on that bitch. I'm telling you, bro. We about to go back all the way to at least 1.15. I'm looking at that bitch to go 1.15. That'd be some nice little ass. Oh, and then we just got that breakout on the 8 hour. We broke out past that wick, so you know it's real. And we about to get that 8:30 close. Let me go ahead and get my button ready. Let me see. That 8:30 close about to be crazy. See how it moves from now. AU probably gonna shoot down when it's 8:30 open, and then you know how that shit go. That shit probably shoot down right quick, and then when it's fucking 8:30 open, that bitch is gonna find its way back up around 9 o'clock or something.
About to close 15 seconds.
Let me just let y'all know, GG ain't shit.
We are open for business.
All right.
Damn, DSM. Them bitches up 4.5% on the open. Damn, look at that gap up. Those fucking chips is doing good right now, bitch. Gold long AI, stupid ass. Dollar still dropping. AU still doing its thing.
Yeah.
EU got a wick to fill on the 15-minute if the volume continues.
All right, let's see what gold is doing. Gold on the wood. Goof ass gold. Oh yeah, AU. I'm up a pip. Let's go. That bitch probably about to play on me, but it's all good. I'm black and I'm proud. I just need one of these move the bus. You heard me? Bring me to a $400 account. I'm closing everything. Nigga say I'm closing everything. 400. Let's go. I kid you not. I was just at 120 equity this morning. My shit was down. I just need this shit to continue doing what it's doing. Nigga be straight.
Yeah, German 30 look good.
Yeah, I'm just holding those. I'm not adding shit to none of those. I'm holding those over the weekend. Seeing what they gonna do. Especially NASDAQ goof ass.
Hey, you play me.
Let's see. I'm gonna try to hold these bitches for. I'm not even gonna kid you not to the high, bro. If I can hold these bitches to the high, I'm that nigga. I'm gonna feel like Future. For real. Even if I could get that like NASDAQ to go to 21,320, somewhere around there, I'm thinking that should be lit. The first TP though, obviously, would be 2324. 20,000. I mean 20,324. That's the first TP. I'm gonna see how I react to that area. If it start to reject, I'm gonna just go ahead and take the TP down.
Hey, you, man. Showing the fuck out.
I'm up. Let's go. Let's go. Told them boys take that trade. I was just
Yeah, U.S. equity should be up, huh? Everything.
US, yeah, NASDAQ up.
That's
I'm up on that bit. I'm up on that bit.
Be up for the breakout to 5680. Hopefully, everything up 2.5% right now. Even the 10-year bond up. God damn, them niggas taking profit on that shit.
Or AU is about to push. I'm about to put a one line on this bit.
Boy, this nigga going crazy on the NFP Friday.
Yeah, man, that's when you're supposed to. That's when they move.
Oh,
That's when you see you thinking in terms of, oh, this shit gonna zigzag. It did that already, brother. Last hour.
no, you're right.
642. That bitch went.
Oh, NFP just, man, that bitch like a roller coaster without the seat.
It made everybody getting themselves that was looking for them ranges, and it sold to 64,178. Then that bitch popped all the way back up without closing and came closed at 64,450, and now it's at 64,600. So that's why I'm saying, well, it's on its way to 600 right there. That bitch. That's why I was saying, like, man, look, don't play with it. Trade what you see. All I seen was that rejection.
You're right.
Seeing that huge rejection bar, a close on an hour, the 8 hour, the 4 hour.
That shit is real.
I have multiple closes on. What really got me was that 8 hour close above that weekly high, and then we got a push above that 8 hour wick. Oh, that's all I needed right there. That's a for sure. That's a goer. It's a goer, bro. I'm more skeptical about EU than I am AU. Shit. EU pulling back. Nah.
Damn, Australian exchange had a big ass gap. Oh.
Let me see though. Let me see what I'm looking at. Go.
The European exchange is bullish on the open and gapped up. Kind of pretty much closed the gap damn near. So in hindsight, it looked like it got nowhere to go but up. So EU buys look promising. It's still pushing up.
Man, they about to blow me. That bitch trying to drop on the slide, but I'm gonna hold that bitch because it gave me all right.
As long as the dollar drop, you good.
Yeah, it's probably trying to fake people out on them. Yeah, that dollar dropping. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That fucking dollar is dropping. I just needed to drop. Like I said, once that alert hit, I'm lit. 199.5.
The last
199.5. Huh?
uh,
What you said? Geez, my fault.
nah, that last 15-minute candle on the EU was crazy. Is that like it? That's not like
Yeah, because I wanted to get in, but that bitch started going too high. I'm in, but I got a .01 in that bitch. I'm about to add the rest right now because
a daily bullish.
still put.
The EU gonna be hold up. Oh, we had no, we had all time high.
And the NASDAQ dropped that hard just now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did. Damn.
Oh.
NASDAQ dropping. I'm probably about to close that bitch. I don't like that.
I ain't gonna lie, EU look real fucking good for like long term buys. Like talking about for the rest of the year type shit.
Hell yeah, that's what I was saying.
That bitch look crazy good.
You look good, bro.
I'm gonna keep it G. I'm about to like that. I'm about to that bitch close.
That nigga stupid.
I'm gonna let the daily close. I'm gonna see
I'm
what
gonna
the
keep
daily
it
do. If
real.
that bitch close bullish, I'm about to get and buys on EU. Fuck that. That bitch about to be my goal. It's about to be my goal trade. Fuck that.
Come on, NASDAQ, bro. Don't do me that, brother.
These bitches.
Don't do that.
Good trade.
That bitch pulling all the way back.
Man. Well, I just forgot all the blocks.
Damn, Nash.
Let's see.
Come on, Nash. Find yourself, baby. Find yourself. You heard me? Believe in yourself.
This
I'm sorry.
what's the day? Is the second 5-2?
I'm about to go heavy on EU. I ain't about to lie to you. That bitch. This bitch right here bouncing out that 8 hour, 50 EMA. It gave me 2 green candles closes above it, and we got the third candle is pushing above the second one. It don't get no better than that.
Used to do.
It don't get no
Yeah,
better
that
than
bitch
that.
just broke 60. Oh fuck!
And there go USD dropping.
Oh
The
fuck!
dollar dropping.
Oh shit!
GJ slapped me out. Stupid bitch.
AU bust, nigga. That bitch ran up 5 pips in 1 minute.
Damn, I'm up $3. This
AU
dude thinking I'm up
busting, bitch.
$3. I told you, hey, boy, my call don't play, bitch. You should know. When I be like, bruh, I'm up
I know. I just
350. That bitch.
it'd be hard for me to buy them highs though on Friday. I ain't gonna, especially on NFP, dog. It's so hard to do it. Dog. I done got fucked over so many times. That shit's so hard to do.
Nah, I feel you. I trust me. I feel you, bro.
You got that. You got that. I ain't gonna
That's
lie.
my strategy though. That's why I'm telling you. Like when I see that, when I see what I'm looking at right now, like
God
yeah,
damn,
bro, it's a
running.
goer, bro. It's a goer. It's a goer. I know I be calling some crazy shit sometimes, but like when I'm like it's a goer, that bitch is a goer, bro. Damn, son.
Respect. You call that shit, nigga, to the T. That's a
Did
fucking
they?
trade, nigga. You could
What did
take
they
profit
close?
on that. I know you ain't happy, but that's a good trade. Fuck that. On a Friday NFP at the high, that's crazy. That bitch just made a new weekly high, and we about to close the week, and that bitch still pushing. Yeah, that's crazy. This look like that old AU from 2019, bitch. Nah, for real. That nigga Jay know what I'm talking about.
Hey, this bitch busted, bro. I'm up $4 on that bitch. That's like what 1,000 points?
Fuck no, it ain't no 1,000
Pips. That's 100.
Ain't no 100, nigga. That's 10.
10 what?
10 pips. That's why I was like. That's why I like. That's AU. That's what I'm saying. You don't need a lot of pips to make a shitload of money on AU. That bitch up 10 pips, nigga.
Oh, from what? 60 from 56 to 66.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, nigga only up $3. Nigga still, they got $3.
But that's what I'm saying. You could go like a fucking 10 with a 10 lot. What? Nah, one lot is $10, right? $10 a pip.
One lot. Shit, I don't know. That's buku money. Probably.
I think a one lot, I think it's $10 a pip. So that's
I
like,
know it's 0.01 cents a pip.
so 0.1 is $1 and 1 is 10. Yeah.
Yeah, man. No, he's mad. Look at him. I'm joked up. All right, man. Let's see what we looking at. What we got. We got NASDAQ trying to push back up.
Everybody calling 64.80 for take profit.
Got DAX dropping.
Pivot at 64.61.
We got EU with the fake out on the buys. Joked up.
Sharp 6. Sharp to 66. These niggas be calling old yearly highs out for fucking prices like this.
Let me see this hour close. I want to see what this hour close like, and I want to see where the momentum goes after this. As far as EU, AU. So how much you would get off a pip? Like how much y'all doing? How many? What's your lot size? Is what I'm asking.
It's different on Oanda. They go by units. So like on a buy to get like $1 a pip, I think it's like 10,000 units. Yeah, 10,000 units is $1 a pip. 100,000 units is $10 a pip. So $100, 100,000 units is the same thing as a one lot on your shit.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
How many units you got?
How
many units you be trading around?
Like 10,000.
Nice.
In the dollar range.
Nice.
But I'm still about to go heavy increase, especially as I'm about to move out this apartment and shit. So I have a little bit more extra bread to play with. I'm stacking up till I get my next spot for work. Yeah. But I'm gonna be stacking up and dropping a lot of money now, like heavy. Like I'm trying to get to 5K as fast as fucking possible because I know I could get that bitch built up once I throw as much, as much as I can in there. Especially when we got all this volume like this with this motherfucker running up like this, man.
Mm-hmm.
On the
NFP, boy, I'm a 450. God damn, that bitch moving.
Dog, I tell you, if Jay was on this live, that nigga tell you, bro, this shit is extremely rare on a Friday on NFP.
On an NFP, yeah.
On an NFP Friday, especially after we done ran up all through London session.
I'm gonna try to hold this bitch because it's AU, and I know this bitch zigzag a lot. I'm gonna see if nigga can hold this bitch for the month, like because it's a slow mover, and it's giving me a monthly breakout. This is so peak game. All right, we got the lower on the month chart. We got consolidation on the month. Then last month it tried to break that consolidation to lower lows. That bitch went all the way back up and went to the top of the range and closed on that bitch. And that was what, 2 days ago? Now we in May, and since May it tried to go down a little bit, like a little bitty wick, and pushed up. We have bullish momentum. We're breaking into to new highs on the month. So if we're looking at the month chart, man, you got a stop loss at like 6,700, and we talking about buys all the way to 69 at the least type shit. And that's the October 1st highs, the October highs.
Right.
It could reach the October highs by June. Some shit like that. The way that the reason I'm really enticed by it though is last month's wick against the lows.
Right.
Like the way that mug wick so strongly, and plus we have
all
the
them lows
momentum.
October 2022, that wick down there, all them lows as well.
Yeah. And so now I'm looking at, okay, we swept lows, everybody got their TPs hit with the sales. Now it's, I don't know, it just looks really good for some buys now. This month's close will solidify. Like if we could get closes, if the close is right here in this area right here exactly, and anywhere higher, I take that as bullish momentum into more. I'm talking about it could go up and come all the way back down and close right here.
Nah,
I would still take that as bullish momentum for next month, and I'll buy that mug. I feel that whole wick up that went up or whatever
like
next
this.
month.
I agree with you. The only thing that stands out, and I'm glad we're talking about the monthly. So I got the monthly up right now. The only thing that's standing out is, yeah, we had this bullish push on the previous month. It wicked down and pushed up. But the only thing that I wish it would have done, and I still feel you right. I still feel you right that it could go all the way back up to the October high. I still feel it. But this last month candle didn't close above the wick on February. That's the only thing. Like, and it missed it by it missed it by fucking 6 pips, 7 pips.
Show me what you're talking about.
If you look at the wick on February, the high of February was 64.08. The close last month was 64.02. It missed it by 6 pips. Like just closing above that wick would have given a bit more definition of the bullish run. Not saying it can't go up top of high. I ain't saying that, but it be little shit like that be
that bitch push.
I don't know, but I see what you're saying. It's going, but that's a habit.
It beat last month's wick though.
True. It did.
Which is important.
It did. It really did.
I mean, I do see what you're saying though. Like you wanted to break both. You definitely wanted to beat both of those wicks.
Right.
That heavy.
It would have been really important for the month of them
I definitely feel that.
The dollar for the AU to go all the way up to 69 cents. That means the dollar is going to have to drop, and we already called that. We've been calling that since the beginning.
Man, we know what that shit gonna do. Just set up your shit accordingly, bro.
91.
Just set your shit up accordingly, bro. Time to get paid. Fuck the bullshit. Let me see.
Yeah, bro. Kinda. Yeah, I'm feeling what you're talking about a little bit more now.
Nah, for real, brother. Let's see what this week close out like. Let's see what next week close out like. What I do like, though, is that we're closing back into that trend, that uptrend.
Right.
On the month chart. And it's a month chart uptrend too as well. It's not like, oh, we're closing into a trend on the 8 hour of the week. No, this is a month chart. Last month we didn't get that close above it, but this month it looked like we could.
I got it on right now. I see the trend line you talking about. It's, yeah, we did. Last month we didn't close. This month gonna have to prove that it's gonna close
exactly.
above.
And that's why I'm saying this month is the one. This is the one where like we get next month's momentum.
This week should close above it. It should. I mean, we got what, 8 more hours?
That bitch better. They ain't about to play with them, man. Boy, that bitch pull all the way back like that, dog. Bro.
That nigga go curse AU. That nigga gonna have a whole fucking sanctuary in his house. Like,
bro, no more AU. I'm put stickers on the wall and sticky notes and shit. No more AU trading. Yeah, cuz.
He gonna start a whole fucking group. Like, niggas gonna meet up on the weekend. Not trading AU.
I'm telling you, bro.
Yeah.
Anti.
Oh, for real. For real.
Joke.
But, and we got the weekly and the daily. This gonna be like the first daily to close above that bitch. Back into that trend line.
What are you doing, NASDAQ? Goddamn, I'm really thinking about just getting out and taking my profits so I can at least come up for something.
It's Friday. It's Friday, bro. I wouldn't fucking hate on you for doing it. Like, I'll be thinking about like where else is it gonna go? It's fucking Friday.
That part, bro. That part is not.
If this was Monday, I'll be like, nigga, just hold, just take your
Right.
take it on the chin. But nigga, this Friday, like really, where else is this bitch gonna go?
That bitch done just hit the highs, ready to drop.
All the big hedge funds taking their profits, all the banks to Arab. It's the weekend. Niggas about to go on many vacations. Like, come on, nigga. Like, where else is the market about to go? All the volume about to leave on Friday.
Nah, facts, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, you pulling back, huh?
Yeah.
That bitch right back at my entry look like. Yeah, we know she had to pull back as a pullback thing.
Yeah, it's Friday.
But I tell you one thing, I don't know. I'll probably wait. I'm gonna look at all these charts about an hour, and I'm gonna judge everything on hourly closes for right now because I'm already in the markets. I'm not trying to enter. I'm thinking about exiting, and I don't want to just exit without these hourly closes letting me know for sure that I'm seeing what I'm seeing.
I'll let y'all at 3:30.
All right, cuz.
Yeah, that's great.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold DAX throughout the weekend. I may hold this. It depends on what NASDAQ do right now. Cause if this go to trying to pull back, I ain't got time to be playing with you. Fine. That's the only thing I might get out of. I'm gonna hold the EU. I'm gonna hold the AU. I'm gonna let those run. NASDAQ, I might just take these profits, give me my profits back. Some of them fit.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep it G. I like buys on AU, but I know my motherfucking pair, and I want that bitch. I want pull back. I want to get buys at 64.20. and keep it all the way real.
It's 420.
And that might not happen till Sunday or Monday, but I still it might not even pull back to that price, but I want some pullbacks. But yeah, buys is definitely because I think the dollar is about to finally sell off, like and
I see
break.
this hour close.
Next month we're gonna have the dollar hopefully selling off. The weekly looking a little weak, but that's okay.
Boy, hey, you look good on that weekly, bro.
Yes,
That bitch just look good, dog. Like, I wouldn't even play with this bitch. Like, fuck what they talking about. Like, let that bitch run. Let that bitch run, bro. I mean, yeah, I know I'm not you. I'm talking about what you talking about. Because, like you said, 64, 200, get you another position right there.
yeah.
Shit, that bitch come back. Fuck. That's another position. That bitch playing on me, though. That bitch ain't had to do this. That bitch came all the way back, huh? Nigga said, I want $4. Took my $4. Joked up. I wait on this 15 minute close, though. See what it do.
Yep. Got 2 minutes left. Look like it's currently engulfing the last candle, but that's a lot. That's a big pullback.
That is a big ass pullback, bro. It gave back the whole 30 minute and then some. That bitch done dojied on the 30 minute.
Yeah,
Shit.
I said, bro, that's a lot. That's that bullish push. I like it. I ain't hating on it, but that's a lot for fucking AU on a NFP Friday. You know, like I said, we already up, nigga.
Nigga said you was supposed to.
The fucking. Let me see what the ATR is for the day. I mean, that bitch. Damn near probably two. Two. Yeah, that bitch ran probably like about a 1.4, 1.3 ATR. That bitch almost two.
Yeah, that'd be the thing with these bitches, bro. Like, on a Friday, you know, like you said, fuck, it'd be a Wednesday, and once them bitches hit that ATR, it'd be like, where else you expected to go? But that's why reverse Wednesday be reverse Wednesday, because that bitch would be not hit the ATR on Tuesday. By Tuesday, reverse on Wednesday, bring it back down, and then Thursday it'll probably recover some of that energy. Friday, so by Friday is at the top. Now you sitting there like it shouldn't do too much more than this. If anything, just wait till next week. And that's what I'm thinking. I'm wondering if all of these plays that I'm in, should I just hold them until next week? That is my question.
It all depends.
And I'm not kidding you, bro. If I feel like if I hold them, this can be a catalyst to hold positions like for the month. All of these could be hold positions for the month. Type shit for 2 months. And that's the same way I turned, like I was about to blow my account, and I turned that 1,800 to fucking 30 bands in 2 months when I fucking just held them bitches out, and I was about to blow the account. I was all on equity. All my money was equity based. You heard me? Same thing, like, but I was holding those positions, and those good positions was getting me there. So I don't know, I just because they all look good.
I would
for the
play just based on your, like you said, your equity. Of course, it's all about the money you actually got and shit. Just saying, if you get pullbacks on Friday, how much you can handle. But then again, hold it long term. If you got daily and weekly ranges in your favor to reach, then yeah, nigga, like you saying, you building up a catalyst to longer trades, and you could just take profit on some and add to better situations type shit. If something running a little better, you can add to that bitch and take profit from something else type shit.
I knew that was a pullback for AU. That bitch about to go.
Cause this might be the, like you said, this might be the fucking move. Like we had the first quarter was consolidating. The second quarter is April, May, June. We just started the second month, and we already having crazy ass volume, and it's only day 2. Like, yeah, this might be the fucking breakout that everybody was waiting on type shit. Now we're gonna sell. AU going up, EU going up, nigga. Gold probably gonna go back up.
I'm waiting on that gold, but I'm watching you, bitch. Okay. I'm watching because I can catch that bitch. If I catch gold, that's gonna be like my Bitcoin. That's gonna be the one that take me. I'm gonna have to let this. I can't fuck with it this week though. I gotta wait till next week. I ain't gonna be able to fuck with gold this week. It's not giving nothing.
Shit, I'm waiting for EU to pull back too. I'm gonna get in that bitch.
EU pullbacks.
Yeah, I want EU to pull back to 1360.
Yeah, don't listen to him, EU. Let me see. Oh, you good. Nigga stupid. Nigga don't want no pullbacks. I don't know what he's talking about.
For real, the nigga get in the market want to pull back, and the nigga that's in the market don't want no pullbacks.
Yeah, nah, brother, go ahead, brother. Don't listen to this nigga. He don't know what he talking about. That's how it go though. You know that's how it goes. So that's the whole psychology and the shit.
That shit always pull back. Look what NFP did this morning. That motherfucker.
Oh yeah, that shit gonna pull back, bro, for sure. I'm not worried about that shit. I'm not worried about it. That's why I'm kind of just like. That's why I'm in the headspace of should I hold these trades till next week? Because all of these pullbacks are probably just pullbacks anyway, right?
Right. So like you said, wait for them hourly closes and then
because on the week they all look scrumptious.
Right. But look at I would say like you said, bro, just wait for the hourly closes and look at the volume in the candles. Like look at AU, look at the last candle that closed. We got a big ass wick. You know, the body not that big. Like this candle gonna have to look just like that one. If it don't, that's your first sign of like, yeah, you probably want to just start closing shit out. Like I don't know what equities look like, but I know for AU, like it's Friday. It may trend all the way up back to 64.70, but what's the likelihood of it's gonna break 64.70 and keep going all the way up to 64.80, like on Friday? That's what I'm saying. So you right on the direction, but maybe you said
with AU, that bitch will blow me. You already know I'll be like
take some trades.
It done blew me already. That bitch done did too much. Glad. Who told you to come back down?
Wait for the pullback.
Right.
Get in. Maybe get in later in this morning, or wait for Sunday.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So like get a heavy position on that bitch, heavier.
I'm about to I might let AU close on this hour because that last hour was so nice. I'm gonna let this next hour close. Same thing with EU. Same thing with shit. Let me see. I don't know. It depends on Nasdaq. That bitch look crazy. Nasdaq look crazy, but I still let it play out probably like 30 minutes. German 30, I'm holding that for sure till next week.
Not worried about what nobody talking about.
And gold is dropping right now. If anything, I would sell gold, but I'm not buying it.
You said you in NAS buys?
Yeah.
Oh, you good. NAS buys look good on the hourly. Like amazing.
You think
and
that last hour was red?
I know, but look at the current hour. That bitch still busting, about to break that high.
Yeah, somebody one of them, my little key teachers, that boy was like Nasdaq. He looking for Nasdaq to bust right now. That boy, he a millionaire.
What's the all-time high?
He a millionaire, so.
You said he a millionaire?
Yeah, that boy made millions off of this shit, so. Well,
But
he new to equities and shit though, but
all the way to 2113.
he kind of knew the equities, but he made millions off of like buying a stock and putting 10 bands in it. Then he made like 100 bands off of that. Then he went and put his money in, and then he went started trading. I think Forex. I think I don't know. He was on something, and then that boy had made like 13 mil off that shit.
God damn. What he was doing on the stocks, like doing options and shit?
I think he, if I'm not mistaken, he just bought something he knew was gonna jump, and it was early. Like I don't know if it was the Trump coin, something like that though, like a Trump coin or something, and just bought that shit and just let it ride, brother. And that bitch, it rolled.
Yeah.
That bitch rolled. Bought that bitch at like 20. That bitch $10. That bitch went all the way to like 70. If this the right person story, I'm thinking of. Fuck, I think that was his shit though. And that boy caught all that. Had like 10 bands and that bitch from $10 to $70. So you know.
Dollar. Yeah, like 64.40. 64.40, 64.20 would be nice. That's a nice pullback. That was a nice selling everything. I'm gonna start adding some positions in 64.40.
NASDAQ busting.
Small ass baby positions, cause nigga it's Friday, motherfucker.
I'm not getting it. Nothing else probably. I don't think I'm fairly done.
Yeah, man.
You know, with my ass for the week, boy. I started with like, what? I think I'm break even right now. So that's the
Right.
whole key. This whole week. But except my break even is equity based. Stupid ass. Instead of it being fucking balance based like type shit. Hey, you the only trade that's negative. But down $1.44 on that bitch. How you go from up for $5 to down $1 on that bitch?
Cause you bought the fucking high on Friday on NFP. That's why.
Nigga still.
Like I said, you right about the direction, but
Yeah, that bitch crazy. That bitch still dropping too.
AU is a fucking whore, man. You gotta know how to treat this. It's a bitch. It's gonna talk back. It's gonna not do what the fuck you said it's gonna do. You gotta.
Oh, that bitch gonna get back, is what you're saying.
But it's gonna pay.
I'm just kidding. I'm just serious.
Nah, stupid ass. That's crazy. I ain't never heard nobody say that.
What?
That's fine. Nigga said, I'm just serious.
Yeah, that bitch dropping though. That's crazy. What the dollar doing like that? Do I have to close one of these
Man, I'm starting to learn.
trades up?
I mean, I like to look at the dollar overall, but unless if I'm trading EU, that shit don't match up. But the dollar is slightly pulling back, but their hourly drop
That
is
bitch is pulling back.
looks way stronger than
And
the push
I
on it.
mean, it's still under the horizontal line. So
Yeah,
that
it's
went
good.
for 99.6.
The dollar is showing way better promise of a continuation drop than
Mm-hmm.
saying AU, but AU got a lot to lean on from that big ass drop in the dollar, so that's good. The AU can pull back, but that ain't no buy opportunity.
I'm about to tell you, I'm not studying these bitches. I'm waiting on this hour to close.
Yeah, man.
Now, if y'all give it all back in 1 hour, then oh well, fuck it. I'm wrong, you're right. But guess what? I'm gonna wait and find the fuck out. Cause I got a feeling this bitch about to go to 64,800, and that's just me. I ain't no genius or nothing like that. But if this market closed at 64,800, I'm just saying I be calling shit to the T.
You got me looking at the 5 minute, but you know I'm trying to get in. Stupid ass.
I'm joked out. Wait. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to make you look at this shit no different. But
Oh
I'm
my
telling
God.
you, I just see this shit, bro. Like, this shit is just too easy, bro. Like, you just got to be strong, like, you heard me, and be able to hold through this shit.
Strong, nigga. I'm trying to hold on.
Because the hour closed too good,
But
brother.
AU,
Wait,
like
look
I
at Scully.
said, a badass bitch, bro. Like the coldest, most
Yes, bro.
bitch you ever seen in your life. So it's so enticing.
Look at it like this, brother. Look at it like this.
And it's Friday. It got a dress on too.
You got it. Oh, chill out. The last two hours closed green above the horizontal line, and you got a rejection above against that on an hour. One of those closes is a rejection against that trend line. The second one is both of them closed above the trend line and the horizontal line for the weekly. Right. So, and they're both, one of them gave us a beautiful wick. I like for wicks to be filled when it closes the way it closed, because it closes like half of his body. So it should be able to, it got to go back up and fill that. We got to at least see that happen before it even decided to go down. In my eyes, that's just what I be seeing. Like, I don't know, bro. It just looks really good for more bullish. It's just, I'm on an hour, and it just looks fucking amazing.
The hour looks good.
This shit looks really good, though.
The hour looks good.
Pullback and all, like even during the pullback.
The NFP news release, it pulled back to the trend line, bounced off that, and closed above the weekly high, previous weekly high. So, and then this current, the previous hour made a new current weekly high, because the previous weekly high was at 64.50, and that broke past that and closed up here at 64.56. So the momentum is definitely bullish. I'm just saying, I'm trying to join the party.
Like, put it like this: when the last time y'all heard me even in a AU trade with y'all? I ain't even talking about that. I'd be like, oh yeah, that's shit, all right, yeah. And y'all got it.
Put it like this:
it's the only time I'm like, bro.
If I wasn't watching the charts and I heard you was trading AU, I was like, man, news must have came out.
NFP. Facts. Exactly. Exactly, bro. That's exactly what got me going. But I mean, NFP showed me what it's about to do. You done gave me the green light already. I could hold this bitch for the money. You can zigzag all the fuck you want. Yeah. I already know where you going. Right. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no question. You know what I'm saying? Load up on fucking positions. Let's go. That's what you telling me. Load up all your positions, brother. And when they pull back, just get another one. Don't even trip. You heard me? If it stop you out, just wait for that next green. You heard me? And because that bitch should be going green. I'm just getting that from it. Like I said, watching it on the hour is the best thing right now from here. All you can do. Block plunges 20% as Cash App missed triggers downgrades. Who is blocking? And is that NASDAQ? Because 20% is crazy.
Sound like some kind of hedge fund.
All right, we looking good. NASDAQ looking good. NASDAQ busting. Joked out. Yeah, NASDAQ. You hear me? You NASDAQ now, you hear me? NASDAQ. NASDAQ, you hear me?
Stupid.
Come on, man. We ain't playing with the little one no more. Big NASDAQ, you hear me? I'm talking about. Yeah, man. What EU? Goof ass, dog. Look worse than AU. That pullback shit. You need to pull back right quick. My fault, son. He be blowing it. Doing that goofy shit. Pulling back. For what? Who back there? Who you know back there? No fucking body. I told you everybody not your friend. Come on. How my mama used to talk to me. My bad. Everybody back there for you. But you still won't do this. Everybody not your friend. I told you that. So I'm just speaking of my trauma. My trauma from my mind. Oh man. Y'all get to hear me have my morning jitters, because in the morning, bro, I have the most energy. I have the most, like, I don't know, I be laughing a lot, all type of shit. Now, come toward the night, be more serious and more serious, tired. You heard me? I'm damn near cursing you out and, and fussing. You heard me?
Right.
But in the morning, the energy is up, it's there. What is EU doing? I'm about to shoot something. How you letting AU beat you, son? Come on, son. Put your clothes on. You look dumb out you.
They had that what you call them happen at 3 a.m.
Ooh. What they did?
The European inflation rate and CPI, unemployment rate, all that shit came out at 2, 3.
I mean, well, we reacted to that already.
I know, but that's probably still causing weakness. Why the EU not performing? That's probably why.
Well, it was negative.
Unemployment rate was negative because it went up, and CPI inflation rate stayed the same.
Mm-hmm.
So kind of negative.
It'll be all right.
Yeah, it's kind of negative.
They recovering from that goddamn power outage.
Yeah, they had to pay that bill. That's what it was.
And they gonna be all right.
They had to pay that bill.
They gonna pay Uncle Sam. United States way over there. Bitch, we'll cut your wall off next.
Boy, that's crazy. That'd be hilarious if that's true.
Fucking United States, bro. Leave it to us, bro. To be janky. And I wouldn't put shit past them. Cut their whole shit off. Oh, y'all playing with us? Y'all used to be the rulers. We let y'all keep the king and queen. Keep playing with us.
That boy, the dollar dropped. I'm about to respond to this nigga statement, but it made me look at something. I just realized the dollar dropped 15% in the first year in Trump's first president term.
The dollar dropped 15%.
Yep.
Oh, this since the term started?
And when he took office in 2017, the first time he took office in 2017, I looked at the dollar. And from January of 2017 to January 2018, the dollar dropped 15%.
Nice.
So
nigga said nice.
Look like I'm gonna see where that's gonna put us at. If I take the high from January, probably already dropped 15%. That nigga about to take it 30. Fuck that bitch. Let me see. If I take the high all the way down, we are currently at 12, 15%. would be 94. But I figured if we was going that low, if we gonna drop to 94, that's what the way we're taking it. We might as well take out the ultimate low down here at 90 and 89, which is gonna be 20%, a 20% drop. So yeah.
I mean, for me, looking at what we're looking at, it already broke out that range you had. It's already lower than that range. We lower than all of those bars to the left. We're lower than all of those in that range. Currently, we're like right there below it. You know what I'm saying? From what I'm looking at, your first TP. Bring the scroller down to that first TP. Yeah, right in there. You see that low, that first low.
Down
Saying
here?
that first, no. That first area is gonna react to. I'm saying up there, at up top. It already reacted to it.
Oh, this?
Right there. Oh, yeah, right in there. Below though, the bottom of it. That bottom to the left. You was right there. You was right. The first one, all the way
This
to the
low.
left. To the left. To the
That,
left. To the left.
that low.
Yeah. Now go down though, the low, not the high. Yeah. See
Uh,
how it went? See how it go to that low and then react to it? Because it's reaching for what? Lows. So when you say lows, don't go to the high of the swing, go to the low of the swing.
right.
See what I'm
And
saying?
I said when I did this, when I measured this, 15% was right here to these lows.
Yeah. So we going to lows. So now that it's broke through more lows, reach for the next low, which was what I just showed you. And as you can see, it already went there and it rejected it. So now we're looking to see if it wants to break bullish again, but we already seen that it doesn't. We seen that last night. So now we're looking for more sales. So we're going to the next low. Let's see where that's at. Go to that next low, right there. To the
15.
left, to the left, to the left. Quarter scroll. But yeah, right, it's right there though. What's number? Yeah, right there to those lows. You
95.
know what I'm saying? And that's where we going next. Next week we going there. That's the if we still continue selling, I'm gonna
The
say.
weekly chart. So I don't know about next week, probably next quarter.
Oh, well, yeah. Well, that's the next target
Yeah.
price. I want to say that's
But yeah,
our next target.
my ultimate level down here.
Yes, that's the ultimate. Might take about a month or two, couple months, but that's the ultimate. But I'm saying, where you going? What to expect rejection? What to expect? You know what I'm saying? The
Yeah,
next rejection would be right in that area.
and the lows.
So I would put like probably alert right there. I'm about to. And what that means, so when it hits there, don't be surprised when whatever you're trading starts to reject and like act funny
Right.
because the dollar about to retest highs now type
Right.
shit
And
real quick.
the dollar rejected that shit and started pushing up, that's when AU was selling. AU was selling hard than the motherfucker. And we was wondering like, damn, what the fuck? So it was because of that pullback on the dollar.
You see what I'm saying? So that shit legit, bro. Shit legit. You just gotta check those lows. So that's how you check for me. That's how I check where the market is going next. Okay, it's going here because that's a low. It's reaching for lows. So that's why I mark lows like weekly lows, daily lows, monthly lows. I'm looking for that next low. And then if it's reaching for lows, if it's reaching for highs, I'm looking for that next high. You know what I'm saying?
Like, AU looking like it's looking for that next high too.
And let me see.
Ain't
I
get
don't,
high enough.
like I said, I don't have nothing marked. Next thing I have marked is 65250. Let me look at the daily and see if I'm missing something. Mm, It's kind of a level right here. I'm not sure. All right, so there's kind of a level right here. I'm about to mark it. For AU. Yeah, you want to have all levels. Haven't been fucking with it, so I'm gonna mark this level just in case. Okay.
Shit. I'm about to measure what AU did the first year.
Okay, so that's where AU. Okay, no. It almost made it to this next horizontal line I just created. The daily high at 64,716. 64.7. That's what it's reaching for right now. It might just hit that and call it, but I'm still saying 64.8.
Let's see. So we went up. Went up 13%, 13.5% his first year. Let's see what that looks like. We did sweep the low. But if I went just from the year. Yeah, that would be right to the T of October's high last year, that sale we did. So that would basically just eat up all that. So you're right.
Wait, what's going on?
The what we did last year. I mean, what we did the first year, Trump. The first year Trump was president, AU went up 13% that first year. And currently, if we, from the open of this year, 13% up is the high of October last year from that sale.
There is a 13% up from right now.
No, from the open of January when the year started.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
We started.
You saying it would be 13% back to October?
Yeah, the high October from last year. Yep.
Gotcha.
So that whole week of rain.
And you said last time Trump was in office, that first year, it did some shit like that.
It did 13.5%. Yep.
Damn. Crazy.
And right now, currently, we're up 5.5%. So
You see that bitch still busting, huh? That's what I told you it had to go do. Feel that what? Feel that wick, brother. Feel that wick out. I'm telling you, dog. I don't know, sir. Sometimes I be on it.
Nah, you be on it.
When it come to my calls type shit,
You
like
be on it. I ain't see you ain't gonna be on it.
nah. My problem is I don't know when to get the fuck out. I be wanting to hold that bitch to 10 puck too. Type shit. And that be my problem. That literally is my problem. Like I be thinking, okay, I done got the cool. That's what happened with GJ. Had the call, that bitch went up. I seen the resistance. I ignored it. I ignored the resistance. Like, fuck that resistance. That shit ain't got nothing on these green candles. Stupid ass. That bitch go to, oh, all right. Pew. Take off on my ass. And that's what happens to me. It go the opposite way after I done tried to hold that bitch for three months. I be looking for those, miracle tools.
Nah, fact. If AU break this fucking high, boy, I'm a fucking go crazy.
Man, you better expect it. I told you what it was about. I'm about to add a position on your ass.
Bitch, I right with you.
He's right with you.
Nah, for real.
Nah, I ain't gonna fuck with it. I'll joke that. Come on. That's funny as fuck, though. Man. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, EU push back up, bitch. Stop playing. What gold doing? Gold still trying to push back up on the slide. Oh, I see. Really gotta wait till next week with this little bitch.
32.5.
And then we got NASDAQ still pushing.
Man, I'm gonna leave that shit up all year. Be like, man.
Leave what? Where?
32.50. I'm leaving that shit up all year.
32.50.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there right now. 32.58.
I know, but I'm just saying, like that's where I would have bought it. I was waiting for that. Remember when we ran up all the way to 33 something? I was like, it's gonna pull back to 32.50. I was saying that like fucking a month or two ago.
You was. All right. All right, let's see. What we doing? Gold is trying to push up, but it's too close to fucking get. I really want those gold buys, but I don't. I'm not saying I don't want them this week, but I don't want them. While I need that 8 hour to close above this 50 type
What's
shit.
the 8 hour close at noon?
At close.
Oh shit! Well, yeah, you gotta wait till next week, man.
Yeah, with the gold, I got too many positions in other shit anyway.
Right.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Go pee. Don't go back there. Right over here. Go to your usual little poop area. You ain't gotta go way to the back, smell other dogs' poop and all that. And roll your face in it, because I'm gonna be mad. Who rolls their face in shit? That's what the fuck I want to know. My dog. Leave it to my dog. roll his face in some shit. Boy, I am tempted on that gold. Goddamn, let me start looking at gold. But I know that as soon as I stop looking, son, I'm knowing this bitch about to take off up, brother. I'm knowing.
I know, nigga. That shit, bruh. I'm about to get back in AU. Looking at
Not get back in. I was talking about gold.
I'm about to get back in heavy on AU. Fuck that shit.
This nigga crazy. You wild. I was talking about gold. EU plan. That bitch. Let this bitch close negative one more 15 minutes. I'm gonna show you. 10 more minutes. That bitch close another negative. I'm gonna close one of them positions because I got a bunch of, I put buku EU buys. I was like, all right, go ahead, bitch. Nigga with the spam of the buy button. I was spamming that bitch. I ain't lying. I want that EU to bust, boy. But yeah, nah, just get that shit some time, brother, because it's right here at the peak. And
I don't know what the peak is. Shit.
My line. Well, I'm talking about the where previously where it already filled the wick. Like if you would have got in when I was saying to, like at my position at the 64.5 type shit.
I thought it was gonna pull back to that the previous weekly high.
Yeah, nah, I was
back to the previous This
I
week.
was saying that bitch had to fill that wick. But let me see. This
It didn't even do that.
I have a line at 64.717. So it's
7?
64.717. It's
Okay.
literally right there.
Right.
And so once it breaks there, I got an alert right above that. And I mean, that'll be a good time to like maybe see how it reacts to that area and then maybe add around in there. You know what I'm saying? Because it's another horizontal line. You want to see how it reacts to that line, not just get in right before it touch it type shit sometimes. Sometimes it'd be cool to get in right before it touch it. Like, it depends on how really juicy that shit look. If it look that juicy to you, I mean, go ahead. But if not, I'll wait till this is the cross already. Let's go look at the currency heat wave chart. Let's look at the heat wave chart for today. All right, we have on our leaderboard, we have Euro, the number one. It's killing. In strength, we have Euro at 7.14 in strength, with GBP behind it at 6.86 in strength. So if G is that strong and J is so weak, why is GJ selling?
You said what?
JPY is at a strength of 1.57, bro. And this bitch, they drove GJ down like that bitch. They still driving that bitch down like JPY is killing or something. And on my currency heat wave chart, we have GBP at a strength of 6.8 with JPY at a strength of 1.5.
Well,
Something.
you in GJ buys, right?
Not no more. They stopped me out. I mean, it's weird though because I guess because they have more people sentiment wise. They have more people. Hey, get over here.
GJ.
They have more. I know you fucking lying to me. Hold on, brother. I'm about to kill his dog.
All right.
Chasing the fucking neighbor's chickens. Fucking ridiculous, bro. Enough of the people that come over here telling me about the fucking like I want to hear that shit. Yeah, your dog came in chasing our chickens. I'm sorry. Stupid dog. She inside. Now I had to put her inside. That dog is retarded. My dog was over chasing damn chickens. That's what they was running for. Sorry about that. They all right, huh? All right. Stupid ass dog. Fucking people outside wondering what the fuck they chickens are outside screaming for. Dumbass dog, man. But my fault. Let's see. Yeah, that don't make sense to me though. I've never seen that. Where the strength is so strong on something, but that bitch is pulling back like nobody's business and still gone. Type shit. Like what the fuck? That fake
Yeah,
ass shit.
like I said, I don't know about the the pound, but I know the yen. For that to happen, the yen needs to drop.
But 2% wise, like they have 2% more people selling the pound than the yen, and I guess that's what it is. But it's like,
I'm looking at the chart though, and the yen going higher, and that's not good if you buying GJ. You want the yen,
yeah,
you want the yen to drop, and it's not dropping. It actually gapped up, and it's still pushing higher. So,
yeah.
and I was looking at the actual just the yen dollar exchange
Fucking
or the yen exchange.
let's see. We have the USD at 4 in strength, with AUD at 3.7 in strength. So it seems like the USD is supposed to have a little bit more strength than AU. When it comes to the sentiment, there's like 1% more people buying USD than selling it, but there's a lot more people selling the AUD than buying it right now. Like there's 57% people are bearish on AUD, with 41% of the people more, bullish.
Yeah,
So it's weird. I don't know. I think it's correlated to like other markets, but I don't know because there's 47 people.
hell.
Huh?
I said it is, but it's also late as hell. Like this is late in the motherfucker. Like, because people are obviously not short like that. I mean, well, probably most people are, but they just like I said, they late to the party.
It's probably. I think people probably.
You gotta think about it. People. It's been short since October, and we ain't really. This daily close, this weekly close is about to be the first time we about to break out of a big ass range. So that sentiment goes slowly start to shift more to the bullish side once that happens.
Chasing these fucking people, chickens. It blew me, son. That make no damn sense. None whatsoever. She think outside playtime, man. You get to go next door, break the people fence, and fucking chase their chickens. It's the weekend or some shit. Yeah, man. It's so I mean, from what I'm looking at, bro, on AU, EU, we might find some consolidation around this area. I'm thinking because, like you said, it already did it so much. It's like it might just chill out. It already filled the wick for the most part.
Yeah.
We'll wait these next 15 minutes and see how that reacts. What happens here. We shouldn't get a push below where we just came from, though. We should try to just consolidate in this area maybe and then push up. We shouldn't go too much below 64.58. I'm thinking it shouldn't even come back that way. We should, if it do, then like I said, it's consolidation station right now. I don't think it's gonna do too much. It's 10 o'clock, about to be by 10:11. Yeah, that'd be it.
So it's like the week right close.
Yeah, 10:11 on a Friday.
Yep, I agree, Brain.
It's about time to call it.
be back at it, next week to get all this extra momentum that the market about to do. So I know I'm about to be buying the fuck out of it.
Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna try to get buku positions as many as I can. Like every time I see that bitch zig down to a low, oh, buy another low, up, buy. It came back to the position, oh, buy again.
Right.
Type shit, get another one. You heard me? So when that bitch ready, I'm gonna be done loaded up on that bitch. You heard me? Keep buying them fucking lows. I'm gonna be looking at y'all shit. Oh, is that a low? It is, brother. Appreciate that. Buy it. Still.
Right.
You hear me? That's all it's about right
At
now.
least for the whole first year, because if he going off the same situation as last year, that's just gonna go up, and it's gonna give you the greatest sell opportunity around December this year. And you can sell that bitch and hold that hole for 3 years, nigga.
Damn, you said, wait, what? Where you came with that?
That's what happened with AU.
Oh, it started buying up for 3 years?
No, when it started buying up his first year of the presidency, and after that, it made a high like December, January, that following year, and that was like one of the greatest sell opportunities. You could have sold from there.
Oh. So you saying hold for the year and then sell?
Type shit, yeah. If the same situation plays out, yeah.
Actually, we gonna find out. But I tell you one thing: if we could hold, boy, if me, you, all the Scully, we hold this shit, and whoever else got in these buys with us, but we hold this shit for till that bitch hit that October high. Bruh,
I'm trying to hold this for the rest of the year. Like I said, the shit. Bro, I'm looking at the monthly, nigga. February 2018 gave a monthly bearish engulfing, and then whoever was still holding that shit probably just bought a yacht. Like I'm like that bitch. That was the price. I mean, of course it retraced up there, but it didn't break that hole. It never went above that bitch since he was president. Nigga, it never went above that. And we about to have the same scenario that it's gonna come all the way up, all the way to October last year, and it might be another fucking great sell opportunity. And if it's gonna start to go all the way down to them COVID lows, all the way down to fucking 55 cents.
COVID lows.
Yeah, that's how low it dropped when COVID hit 2020. That was low. But yeah, man. We already know what's going on. But yeah, we're gonna be we'll see what's happening on Sunday when it open up. We'll link back up and be back on this next week.
For sure. Wait, so you saying that bitch a jump from that December, from that January 1st on the 16th, 2016?
2017. That's when he was he started when he got
17.
You know,
and that bitch went from there all the way up to that October, and then that bitch dropped to them COVID lows. Ooh, I see what you're saying. I see. Let me see. And you saying that we could go right here to October previous and then drop all the way to COVID lows again? Possibly? That would be crazy. Huh?
Yeah, sales go down there, go past it. You know, unless if it don't rain.
What would be the catalyst for that?
Shit, the dollar falling. I mean, no, because that's gonna make that's gonna make AU go up. The catalyst for that would be the dollar recovering from that fall, and also, probably interest rate cuts and shit like that, potentially, or maybe interest rate increases, depending on how bad shit gets. But yeah, like I said, we could be in for more worse economic shit, and then he's just gonna become quote unquote the saving grace, and then the next 3 years gonna be great, just like how it was last time.
For sure. Gotcha.
Yeah.
We gonna see what's up, bro.
See? Yeah,
Got a lot more time we gotta wait for before things bust out. You know what I mean? Got a weekend, big weekend ahead of us, cause next week about to be crazy.
I was gonna say I
Yeah,
can't see what Sunday open up at.
yeah, for sure. Let's see. Wait, before we hop where's Bitcoin? 97,600. All right, cool. So on the month chart, that mug breaking out into new highs, man. If you a weekend trader with crypto, you might want to look into some buys. Get some buys, man. This mug
Oh,
ain't playing, making higher highs as we speak.
damn, that's crazy. If Bitcoin and gold go up at the same time, I'm gonna be like, what the fuck is going on?
If I could get a nice buy on Bitcoin around 94,500, that'd be nice. Let's see. If it come back down around there, I'll probably get him to buy. Oh,
Currently,
shit.
Bitcoin up 1%, Ethereum up 0.5%.
That bitch up at 1%, yep. 1,100.
Yeah, we'll see. See what that bitch gonna do.
For sure.
All
All
right,
right, brother.
I'm gonna holler at you.
All right, brother. One. Peace.